누군가는 만나야 됩니다.
He has to meet someone.
우리가 말을 한다라는 것은
When someone speaks, we can see their behavior and quality of energy.
보이는 겁니다. 큰 사람은
Great people have to meet other great people.
세계의 지도자는
A world leader can do great things only if they meet a teacher who has attained the wisdom to lead the world.
누구를 만나느냐에 따라서
Your path is determined by who you meet.
눈이 보이는 게 틀려져.
Then your perception will change.
세상을 움직일
Your
수
wisdom
있는
will
지혜를
arise and you can move the world.
이게 빌 게이츠.
This is Bill Gates.
이 빌 게이츠가 한국에
Bill
왔지.
Gates visited Korea.
왜?
Why?
우리 삼성의 이건희 회장도
He
만났지.
met Samsung chairman Lee Gun-hee. Why?
뭔가 좋은 아이디어가 있으면
He was
해보라.
looking for good
같이
ideas
좀 해보자.
to do something together.
대한민국에 와서 대통령도
He also
만나봤지.
met the president of Daehanminguk or Korea.
근데 당신하고 일할 게 없어서
But Bill Gates saw nothing of
갔지.
interest, so he just put one hand in his pocket, shook hands,
나는 안
and
찾아왔대.
left. He didn't look for me
나는 그러지
because I am a beggar,
유명하지도
not
않아.
famous, and don't even have a house.
지방칸도 없고 나는 하나님한테
I studied from
공부를 하고
God in the
산속에서
mountain
거르지로
and
나왔어요.
entered society as a beggar. He didn't come to me.
내 한번 찾아보시지.
Why don't you seek me out, Mr. Gates?
당신의 지혜는 열어주지
If you
않으면
don't
큰 일을
attain
못합니다.
wisdom, you can't accomplish great things.
세계의 모든 사람들은
Everyone in the world
바라고 있습니다.
expects you to do something
요
great.
압박에 눌려서
You are going to have a hard time under the pressure of people's expectations.
세상의 사람이 나한테 기대를 많이 하면
When people around the world expect a lot from you and you can't accomplish it, you will have a hard time.
요대로 가면
If you just stay the way you are, your mental strength will get weak in the next few years.
내가 분명히 장담하지.
I absolutely guarantee this.
당신이 활동할 때는
If you
활동을
do
바르게
your
하면
job properly, your mental state will remain healthy.
하나님이 너한테
God
축복을
will bless you and give you strength.
활동을 해야 될 때는 활동해야
You
돼.
had to grow when it was time to grow.
내가 성장할 때는
You
성장을
have
해야
to be active when it's time to be
당신은
active.
다 성장을 해가지고
However, you are all grown up, but
아직
you are not yet active as
그래서
you should be.
빛나지 않고
That's why you don't shine and the world doesn't respect you.
가진 게 많아서 부러워는
People
해도
envy you for your
존경은
wealth,
안 한다.
but they don't respect you.
세계의 큰 사람은
A great person should be respected by all of humanity.
이 나라의 부모
They are parents and guardians of the country and of the
세계가
world.
아파서 울면
When
당신은
humanity cries in pain,
몸으로
you
느껴야
would
돼.
feel it with your body.
세계가 굶어
If
죽으면
the world starves to death,
당신은
your
힘이
strength
빠져야 돼.
would weaken.
이게 하나님의 일꾼들이
These are God's workers, the children of God.
그래서 큰 힘을 주는
For
것이
that reason, God gave you great power.
인류가 아파서
Can't you see that the human race is suffering from sickness? You should look for the root cause of their pain.
이거는 당장에 해결할 수
There are
있는
several leaders in this world who can solve this right away.
몇 분이 있습니다. 큰 스승을 못 만나면
If you don't meet a great teacher, you can't see the grand scheme of the world.
빌 게이츠는
Bill Gates should meet talented people in Daehanminguk or Korea.
그래서
That's
대한민국에
why he
왔던
came here.
누군가를 찾아야 되는데
You must find
그러지도
someone.
않고 찾아보고.
Seek out a beggar as well.
이름 있는 사람만 당신 앞에 찾아갖고 당신한테 줄 게 아무것도 없어.
If you only seek famous people, they will have nothing to offer you.
대통령보다 이름이
Haven't you made a name for yourself in the world greater than the president of Daehanminguk or Korea?
대한민국 기업인보다 당신이
Isn't
세계의
your
이름이
name
더 높지
bigger than
않았던가?
Korean businessmen?
근데 그 사람들한테 무엇이 나오기를 바랬어?
What did you expect from them?
그런 사람만
You
만나고
only met such people and left.
가버렸잖아. 저자가 나는 대한민국에 왔을 때
When you came to Korea, you were trying to find talented people.
이 나라에
I thought that you would look for someone with
가진 분은
wisdom,
없지만 지혜로운 분이 없는가를 찾을 줄 알았어. 높은 사람만 만나고 그냥
but
다
you
버리고
only met prominent people and just went on your way with your hand in your pocket.
너는 스승을 못 만난다.
You can't meet your teacher like that.
스승은 가진 게 없는
A
사람이야.
great master is someone who has
스승은
nothing.
아무것도 가지지 않아.
A great mentor takes
그러나
nothing,
너를 빛나게 해줄 수 있고 너를
but
통해서
he
세상에
can make you
빛을
shine
발견할 수
through
있는
guidance
이게 스승이
so that you can do great things in the world.
너의
This
그릇을
is
알고
what a great teacher does.
너가 누구인
A
걸
real
알아서
teacher is someone who knows you and your potential and can help you do great things according to your
그놈이
capacity.
스승이
Such a person is your teacher. Come find
내
me.
찾아 이까지 안 와도 돼.
You don't have to come all the way here to find me. You don't have to try too hard. If you invite me, I will come.
당신은
You must live as a parent of society to brighten the world.
인류의 부모,
Humanity's parent, a person who cares about humanity as God cares for mankind.
하나님의 제자들이다 이
You
말.
are one of God's disciples.
당신들한테
You will be able to use your power and your connections with similar prominent people to do great work.
지혜를 열지 못해서
But if you don't bring forth your wisdom, you cannot accomplish a huge climate project because you don't see the world. I will help you. Try this beggar.
내가 당신을 빛나게
I
해서
will guide you to shine so that you can participate in the heaven and earth project.
기후 변화는
A climate change project is something we do together with all mankind. It's not something you can accomplish by yourself with technology.
대한민국하고 손을 잡으면
If you join hands with Korea, nothing is impossible. I will make it possible for you to achieve everything.
하느님이 키운 나라들을 잘 봐.
Look at all the countries that God has raised. You didn't know why you came to Korea.
올 때가 됐으니까 왔겠지.
You came here because it was time to come.
인류 공사는
The
이제 시작.
heaven and earth project has just begun.
이 세계에 일어나는
Once the
바이러스가
virus pandemic is cleared
이제
up,
정리되고 나면
the leaders of humankind must start doing something.
이제 뭔가 시작을 해야 됩니다. 이것이 하느님의 벌입니다.
The virus is God's punishment.
세계 질서를 다시 잡기 위해서
God is dispatching the virus now to re-establish the world order.
바이러스만 매달리가 있지 말고
Don't just focus on eliminating the virus. You must see how the world works and be able to plan accordingly. Then God will stop the
사람의
virus.
생각의 질이 높지
The
않으면
project cannot be done if people's thoughts are not of high quality.
대한민국하고 같이
Let's work together with Korea.
당신을 빛내줄
Korean
사람은
people can
대한민국
help you shine.
큰
The
일을
time has
시작해야 될
come
때가
to start a great project. Let's conclude today's lecture with this much.